Well, I'm trying to film this to get a perspective of the size, but I can't zoom out to the minus level to try and capture it. So if you see that orange rope tied around there, over to there, modelled by my able assistant Loki, who is now going to help with the digging by the looks of it, and down to where that cement pipe is by the dumper, just there, and then across to our lovely lady who's now having a squirt. They always do it when I'm on camera. There. So at the minute that's 12.5 feet for the base and 28 foot down to the fluffy tail, and we've still got a bit of a mound to move and a little bit more to create. We're not quite where the marker is there to come out here and run along. So, oh dear. Down here, so I've got to shift all of this lot and all of the soil. So I'll see if I can set up a POV camera shot sometime.